Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the art of producing your very own emulsion or distemper paint. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just getting started, this tutorial will guide you through every step of the process. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure to subscribe and check out our YouTube membership program, where I share exclusive paint formulations and solutions. Let's jump right in with what you'll need to get started on your paint-making journey. For emulsion paint production, gather these materials: 10 kilograms of water, 15 kilograms of calcium carbonate, 100 milliliters of biocide, 2 kilograms of acrylic, 100 grams of thickener, 0.5 kilograms of titanium dioxide, 100 grams of calgon, optional color pigments, 100 milliliters of ammonia, 100 milliliters of surfactant, and 100 milliliters of defoamer. Now let's move on to the procedures. Step 1. Pour clean water into an empty tank. This will serve as the base for your mixture. Step 2. Add calgon, stirring thoroughly. Then, empty the sac of titanium dioxide into the solution. As the electronic motor runs, keep its shaft deep in the tank. This is crucial for agitating and grinding the titanium dioxide particles. Allow it to grind for 30 to 45 minutes until you achieve a fine solvent. Step 3. Empty the sacs of calcium trioxocarbonate into the mixture, followed by additional water to prevent calcium buildup on the shaft. Step 4. If you desire a specific color, now's the time to introduce color pigments. For instance, if you're aiming for a rock view hue, shading with iron 3 oxide can achieve that effect. Step 5. Immediately add the acrylic, acting as an emulsifier. Step 6. Mix a measured quantity of hydrocellulose ether, your thickener, with water, then pour it in to thicken the film. Follow this with the addition of the surfactant. Step 7. Add the biocide or formalin to inhibit bacterial growth and the defoamer to control foaming. Finally, Step 8. Incorporate ammonia, stir for a few seconds, and your paint is ready for packaging. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create your own paint. Not only have you learned a valuable skill, but you've also empowered yourself to customize your projects at home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and explore our membership options for more in-depth content. Until next time, happy painting.